Hello students, I hope you are good, well and fine, and today we will be continuing our discussion on statistics. So in previous class, if you recall, we talked about mean median. Here we will be in mean we saw the properties, we saw the usage, and also did exercise some examples. Okay, we understood the same thing for the median, same for the median. Okay, we talked about the concepts like combined combined mean over here, etc. Okay, etc. So now we will be discussing more on mode and the relationship between mode, median, mean. And we know what do we mean by range, the coefficient of the range, and we'll try some exercises as to polish our concept on mean, median, mode. So let's see the mode. The definition for the mode is what it is. So the value of having highest number of frequency will be called as, or will be our mode. So mode is just nothing, a number which is having the highest or the maximum frequency is called the mode. If you see from example, so this data is given, number set is given to me, which is like this. The scores, say this is the series of scores. The scores are as follows: 7, 10, 12, 12, 12, 11, 13, 13, 17. Okay, now if you see, the number 7 time appears in score is just one times, the number 10 is appearing just only one times, 11 is also appearing only one times. So you see 1, 1 and 1. If you are seeing, the 12 is appearing 3 times, so 12 is appearing 3 times, and 13 is appearing 2 times. So from this, this is my maximum frequency. So this means my mod is 12. I hope you now, from this example, you understood what do we mean by mod of our data. So let's move next. Now let's see what is the relationship between mod, median and mean. So 1 mod plus 2 mean is equals to 3 median. So 1, if you having difficulty to memorize it, so just recall it like this: 1 plus 2, what is it equals to? It is 3. And use in median, we have 6 letters, so this means here 6 divided by 2 is 3. This means here we will use median, and here we will use mean, and here we use mod. Okay, so 1 mod, 2 mean and 3 median. I hope you will recall it or memorize it very easily. Okay, and you will be seeing some questions based on this formula. So let's move next. So now we see the definition for range. The range is the difference between the highest. It is the difference between the highest and the lowest scores of our distribution. Okay, so it is just the highest subtracted highest minus the lowest value will give me my range value. Okay, so let's see the definition or the meaning of the coefficient of the range. So if L is my lowest distribution value and H is my highest distribution value, then my coefficient of a range is equals to this H minus L divided by H plus L. I hope this is also clear. It is just a direct formula to use. So let's see an example related to all of the concepts. So the range for the following distribution is, so first of all, finding out the maximum or the highest value of the distribution, which is this 19. So 19 minus the lowest is just 1, so it is 18. So my range will be 18. I hope this is clear. So if asked what is the coefficient of range, it is just highest minus lowest and the highest plus lowest, which is 18 by 20. It is my range of coefficient of range. I hope from formula you understood. The coefficient of range is just highest minus lowest and the highest plus lowest. In this example, you saw what will be my answer. So let's now jump to the exercise and polish our concept more. So let's solve with me. It is quite easy problems to solve. So the median of the following series is, we have to find out the median and the observations are given to us. So in order to find out the median, what we need to first of all arrange the data, arrange data in increasing order. I hope first step is clear. Then second, find out the n. N is the number of observations, and after finding out the n, you categorize it in odd or in even cases. If odd, then n by 2th term is my median, is equals to median, and if even, then n by 2th term plus n by 2th plus 1 term divided by 2 will be my median. I hope this is all clear. So let's see, let's do. So first of all, just arrange them in increasing order. So let's arrange. So the least value is this 20, and after this is 50, then 35 is also there. So 20, 35 and 50, 80 and 340 and 520, and the 190 is also there. So 80 and 190, and then 340, and then 520, and then 800, and then 1210. So the number of observations are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So it is odd, so we just plus 1 and divided it by 2, which is 5. So fifth term will be my median. So this term 190, or the option C, is my correct option. Okay, so let's move to next. Now in this question, the arithmetic mean of 5798 is given to me equal to 9, which is x bar is given to me 9, and I have to find out the value of x. So in order to find out the arithmetic mean, just add all of the observations. So mean is equals to all of a sum of all the observations, which is 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus x, divided by the number of observations. So 1 2 3 4, so there are 4 total observations, so divided by 4, and we know x bar, or the mean for these 4 terms is equals to 9. So this means by solving this is 36, and this adding these, what I will get, 9 plus 7 is my 16, and this is my 21. So 21 plus x, then x is equals to 36 minus 21, which further equals to my 15. Okay, so the value is for x is 15. I hope this is clear. So the option B was my correct option, so 15. Now let's move next. And now this question says about mod. So mod of the distribution. So our this distribution is given. So first of all, make a table. So 3, we have 3, we have 1, also we have 2, also we have 3, and we have 4. 5 is also there, 7 is also there. So 1 is appearing. So 1 is appearing only one times. So frequency. So frequency. So 1 frequency of 1 is 1. Frequency of 2 is also 1. Frequency of 3 is 2, so it is appearing 2 times. Frequency for 4 is 1, 2 and 3, so it is 3. Frequency for 5 and 7 both equals to 1. So my mod will be the number which is having the highest or the maximum frequency. So the maximum frequency is this, and the number which is this is 4. So my mod is equals to 4. I hope this is also clear. So B is my correct option. So let's move to next. Now this, if the mean and the median of a set of numbers are 8.9, so 8.9 is my x bar and 9 is my median. So median, then my mod will be, so I have to find out the mod. If you remember or recall the formula, so 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, and we know 3 is for median. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So median is 3 times median. Here we use mod, and here we use mean. So mean means x bar or 8.9, and median is my 9. So median is my 9, mean is this, and mod is equals to 3 times 3 times 9, which is 27, minus the 2 times 8.9, which is equals to 17.8. Okay, I hope this is clear. So my final answer would be this 9.2. Okay, so the difference will be 9.2, because the 27 minus 17.8 is equals to 9.2. Okay, I hope mod you memorize the formula for the relationship of mean, median, mod. So let me once again write it for you. 1 mod plus 2 mean is equals to 3 median. I hope this formula you remember, or if you are not familiar with this formula, please do remember it and try to memorize it, because this is very important in statistics perspective. Okay, let's move to next. So in this question, a student got marks in 5 subjects. So he got marks in 5 subjects. So marks are as follows. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now 4 is the, so option I have is 4 my mean and median, is 4 my median but not mean, is 4 mean but not median, and is 4 my mod only. So let's see which option is correct. So if you see the frequency table, so the numbers or the marks are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the frequency is 1 for all the marks, because they are appearing only one time. So mod we cannot easily find because all have the same frequency. So now let's focus find out mean and median. If for mean we just have to sum all of the observations, so 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, we know 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, and this whole is divided by the total number of observations. So and we know the total number of observations are 5, so 20 by 5 is equals to 4. So yes, 4 is our mean. Okay, so 4 is our mean. What about median? Let's find out the median. So the number of terms, so number of terms is equals to n is equals to 5, which is odd, and for the odd case median is equals to 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 3. So the third term will be my median. So first term, the second term, and the third term. Third term is also 4. So yes, indeed the first option is correct, that is 4 is the mean and median. Okay, so first option is my correct option. Let's move to next. Of in this question, what is the mod? So we have to find out just the mod. So the frequency table is already given, and we from this frequency table, if you observe, the highest frequency is 15 and it is for the marks 23. So this will be my mod. So the mod is 23. So my mod is 23. So option D is correct. Now let's see the next question. So if the class interval in a frequency distribution, so these are my frequency distributions of class interval. So first class interval is given like this, second, third, fourth, and etc. And question is asking the midpoint of the class this. So this class is given to me and I have to find out the midpoint for this. So it is quite easy. If you see, so the upper limit minus the lower limit will give me the length of the interval. So length of interval is equals to upper minus lower. Okay, now yes, and then I divide it into equal parts. Okay, and then just add the lower term to it. So this will be my the midpoint. So let's see the subtraction first. So 75.9, 74.0 will be my 9 here and 1 here, 1.9 divided by 2 plus 74, and this will be my 1.9 divided by 2 will be equals to 0.95, and which is further equals to 0.95 plus 74, which is equals to 74.95. So the option C will be my correct option. Okay, let's move to next. If the first 5 elements of a series replaced by xi plus 5. Okay, so let's say I have a series of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and this series is still continuing to x6, x7 till x8, x9 and x10. So I replace my first 5 elements by this term. So now my new series, the old series, the new series will be my, the first term I replaced it as like x1 plus 5, second term I replaced it as x2 plus 5. I added 5 every first 5 terms in first 5 terms. So 6 x3 plus 5, x4 plus 5, x5 plus 5. Okay, now for the next 5 elements, I replaced the elements by xi minus 5. This means that for x6 I replaced it as x6 minus 5, for x7 x7 minus 5, x8 minus 5, x9 minus 5, x10 minus 5. I hope this representation is very clear to you. Now I have to find out the mean, the difference of the new mean and the old mean. So new mean, that is new x bar, minus the old mean, that is old x bar. Say this new x bar is this. I hope this is very clear to you. So mean for this so mean for this is the sum of all observations, that is x1 plus x2 plus till x10 divided by, so the number of total observations are 10, is my x old mean, and for this series the sum is equals to x1 plus 5 plus x2 plus 5 till x5 plus 5 plus x6 minus 5 plus till x10 minus 5 divided by the number of total observations are 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 will be here. So my x new mean is equals to this. So if I remove these small brackets and add 5, so I know 5 is added 5 times, so this will be my let me make it more simplified. So this will be my x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus 25. Okay, so plus 25 plus now x6 minus 5, x7 minus 5 till x10 minus 5. This will become what? This will become, it is x7 plus x8 plus x9 plus x10 minus 25. I hope this is clear. And 25, here 25 is of a positive sign, here 25 is of negative sign, both get cancelled. So now we are only left with this these terms. So if you see, this is just nothing but the equal to the old mean, because in the old mean x1 plus x2 plus x3 till x10 divided by 10, and in the new mean this is the same, x1 plus x2 till x10 divided by 10. So if you find out the difference of the new mean to the old mean, because both values are same, the difference will be 0. So my answer will be 0. So the option D. So the option D is my correct option for this question. Now let's move to next. Here let's see what we are asked is that we are given the following numbers and the difference between their mean and their median we have to find out. So first of all, for median, arrange the data in increasing order. So increasing order, so in increasing order, first is 60, and then 61, 61, and then 62, and then 63, 63, 63, 63, 63, and there's another 63, and 64, 64, 64, 64, there are two more 64, and now the 65, another 65, and a 66. I hope this is my you cleared with the increasing order in which I wrote. Now to find out the median, let's find out the number of terms. So number of observations is equals to, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. I hope the number of terms or the number of observations is clear to you. It is 15, it is odd, so median is equals to 15 plus 1 by 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. 15 plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, so this will be my 16 by 2, which is 8th term. So my median will be my 8th term, which is 63. So median is 63. Now what what about the mean? So in order to find out the mean, first of all, add all of these values. So by adding all of these values, you will get your just the sum of all observation, and then divide it by 15, and the sum of all observations, you will get your mean. Okay, then just subtract the mean from median, that is 63 minus mean. Okay, so in order to do this, you will have your mean some like this. The this say if you calculate, so the calculations are too lengthy, so I am hoping that you could do, and you, if after doing these manipulations, you will find that the difference is 0.3. I hope I am relying on you to do the remaining calculations. So please verify the answer is 0.3. Okay, so let's move to the next question. In next question, it says the value of this summation, where x bar is my arithmetic mean of xi's is. Okay, so I have to find out the value of for this. Okay, so it is quite easy to find out. If you see, I know that xi is equals to mean. So mean, that means it is the mean of some observations. From this I can say the total number of observations are n, that is this, and the sum of observation might looking like this, x1 plus x2 till xn. So my mean is looking like this. Now I have given this piece of information by expanding it into general form. So xi minus x bar, this means x1 minus x bar plus x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar, plus I'm just adding till I reach to the n, or the last term of the sum. So xn minus x bar. If you see, let me put the x bar term together. This will make this type of expression, which is x1 plus x2 plus x3 till plus xn, and minus of x bar plus x bar till x bar. And how many x bar I am adding? I am adding n x bars, n times of x bar. If you see, one x bar is here, one x bar is here, two x bar, the second x bar is here, the third x bar is here, till the nth x bar is here. So I am adding x bar to n times. So I just rewrite it in the simplest form, which is n times of x bar. I hope this is clear. So if you see, from this we know n times of x bar is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on till xn. I hope this is clear, and from this information I can use that this whole expression is equals to n times of x bar, and I have already given that this value is there, n times of x bar, and both values are getting subtracted from each other. This means the remaining thing is equals to 0 because both of the terms are equal to each other. So equal minus something equal gives me a 0. Okay, so now this option, the option C is my correct option. Let's move to next question. So in this question, the average, the so in this question, my average of 15 numbers is 18. So let's say the first number is my this x1, second number is my this x2. uh, Let me write the remaining numbers: x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10, x11, x12, x13, x14, x15. Okay, so I have total the average of 15 numbers is the 18. So the average of 15 numbers is 18. That means the average for this, or the mean, the average means the mean, average means mean, which is equals to x bar, which is equals to the, so the average of 15 numbers, the total number of observations are 15, and x1 till the sum of all observations, we divided it by the number of observation which is given to us, me, is 18. I hope this is clear, this step is clear. Now the average for first 8 is 19. Now for first 8 terms, so first 8 terms are these, so the first 8 terms are these, and average for this is average for first 8 terms is equals to mean of first 8 terms, which is further equals to x1 plus x2 till x8 divided by 8. So the total number of observations here are 8, which is given to me is 19. Now that the last is 8 is 17, that means the average of that last 8 terms given to me is 18. That means the last 8 terms are these: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the last 8 terms are these. So average for this last 8 terms, so average for last 8 terms is equals to mean of last 8 terms, which is equals to uh, uh, x8 plus x9 till x15 divided by the 8 terms are there, which is equals to given to me 17. Now just add this equation A and this equation B. So equation A is x1 till x8 divided by 8 is equals to 19, and equation 2 is x8 plus x15 divided by 8 is equals to 17. Yes, so this is my two equations. Just add both of them. Okay, so by adding both of them, I will be getting x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7 plus x8 plus x8, because one x8 is here, one x8 is here, because the LCM or the we say that the denominator for both of the fraction is same, so we just add the numerator above. So by just adding the numerator above, so it will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and which is further equals to the sum of these two terms, which is 19 plus 17, which is equals to the 36. So 36. I hope this is clear. Now we know, just take these terms, the x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10 and x9, x10, x11, x12, x13, x14, x15. Okay, we take this as together. Why? Because we know uh, that from this the x1, x2 till x15 will give me 15 times 18. Yes, it will give me 15 times 18. So from the above I will get 15 times this is my just 8, 15 times 18 plus x8, because this will remains untouched, divided by 8, which is equals to 36. By doing just some multiplication over there and or some manipulations, I will get 36 times 8. Now the x8 value is equals to 36 times 8 minus 15 times 18. I hope this is clear. So doing solving this, the 36 by 8, 36 by 8 minus 15 times 108, you will get your answer as 8. You will get your answer as 18. I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, so the little calculation you can do very easily. So for this we will be stopping here, and I hope you learn different approaches to solve questions. So we will be meeting next on different topics. So thank you for being here. Thank you.